What's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Here we go, baby. If you if you saw the previous video I posted today, a few hours, I would say about an hour or 2 hours ago, you were seeing that I was actually getting into a sale right here on US30 and S&P 500. So I'm gonna show you right here on the VIP, okay, that pretty much we were killing it this morning. Pretty much we encountered a loss. Actually, I'm gonna show you the loss again. Hold on. The entry was actually made from last night. Here we go. This was the entry, the first entry, and this is what happened, which is kind of crazy. But you see what the news can actually do. You know, whenever this was a 4-hour time frame, okay, potential big head and shoulder on US30. The price had broken the actual neckline, and I was actually in from since last night. And then during Asian session and then London session open, the price actually started pushing up, which is, it was somewhere around here. This is basically, my entry was somewhere around here, somewhere around there. The stop, I don't remember exactly, was somewhere around here, the stop loss. And the TP, I was actually aiming to this point. So I was seeing that, okay, the price actually was breaking, but then the news came up, you know, the core CPI news, and boom, the market actually started skyrocketing after that, pretty much stopping me out. And then I saw that immediate after that 4-hour candle closed, the market started rejecting back again, very, very strong. So I went on a 15-minute, I was seeing on a 15-minute and 5-minute to see if there was a little trend, and I was trying to spot some type of divergences, small trend, basically, you know, the same strategy what I do when I try to find or spot a breakout. Since I'm a breakout trader, I was actually doing that. So let me close this thing, and I was seeing a little divergence, and I see that the price failed to create a new high. At this point, you see the price was pretty much pushing up, right? From this point, let's say it was pushing up, a little push, higher, higher lows, higher lows, price push, higher, higher low, higher, higher low, lower high. You see the price failed to create a new high right here, giving a bearish engulfing candle, and now it breaks. Once the market was actually breaking that little trend line that I draw there, I see that little candle. I was waiting for the breakout. I wanted to see the breakout of this little structure. So I did get in on that body. As soon as that body of the candle closed, boom, I got in there. The price, you know, did a push, creating the first low, by the way. So it created the first lower high, and this is the first lower low, lower than this one. So it broke the structure, pulling back, and I knew, you know, there was a little pullback there, a little drawdown right there. You see that almost all my entries, whenever I try to make all my entries, whenever I make an entry, I try to be very accurate to prevent getting on drawdowns. So a little drawdown here on this pullback, and the market just after that just immediately can come crashing down. So 326 pips right there on this drop. I'm very, very happy for that. Let's see what's going to happen now. Look at on the daily. I don't know if you saw, again, the previous video. I was saying that this is still looking like a big head and shoulder on a daily. Okay, look at the market, you know, going down, push, pullback, rejecting the 35,000 level, push, pullback, touching previous zone right here, right? And then now you have a big ass bearish engulfing candle. And now the day, look, if you remember, this candle was actually starting to push up. The body of the candle was on top right here, and I was like, okay, maybe the market has not broken the neckline yet. But the daily candle, let's see how this daily candle is going to close. If the body closes below the neckline of the head and shoulder, then this is most likely going to continue dropping. And I want to say this thing is going to be reaching these lows, or maybe this one, between these two, it's going to be reaching, most likely. How long it's going to take? Not sure exactly how long it's going to take, but if it breaks that way, unless of course there are no more news coming in, I'm sure the market will keep crashing down. Look at this, how the stocks are looking right now. They were looking really green this morning, very like everything was looking green, but now they are turning red. They're pretty much actually showing the actual direction. So it's telling me that basically this push we had today, it was basically news. It was the momentum at that point. But the actual direction, it could be to the downside. It's still bearish. This is still bearish. You can see even right here, right? Got push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back. Now let's see how this is going to close. If it closes another low, if this body of the candle, this actual 4-hour candle, and maybe closes below, creating a new low, that's already a low, so most likely the price will continue dropping, right? If it creates maybe a lower high, then it's different. If it creates a higher low at this point, the first higher low, maybe next week we'll start pushing up. But you know, these are definitely telling me on the daily is I want to see that candle. I want to see how that candle is going to close. If it closes bearish like that with the body of the candle, oh, this is definitely going to the downside. All right, so beautiful. I'm very happy with this sell right here, even though we took a loss. But guess what? Boom, we also caught the S&P 500 sell right there. Beautiful sell as well on a 5-minute. Exactly same thing. Also spotting a nice little divergence on the RSI. Breakout of the structure, entering on the body, that big nice body of the candle closing below my trend line. And that's it. I didn't even need it to use any other indicator, just the RSI, just to see the divergence, and that's it. If you wanted to use maybe the 20 simple moving average or the 50 simple moving average, everything was turning below. You see, pretty much this is the 20 and this is the 50. So those are basically trend indicators. So price broke and we were completely below the 20 and the 50. So it was a nice setup right there. If you want to follow maybe the TP strategy, and you see that the breakout also happened right here on a 5-minute time frame. This body of the candle broke the 100. We were below at that point, below the 100. If you also use the RSI, you can also see that the market is below the 50% of the RSI. Let's see the Ichimoku. Look at that. The Ichimoku cloud is below the actual. This body of the candle closed below the Ichimoku cloud. So beautiful. Everything was telling me here to sell. All signs. All right, so beautiful, 2 sales today. Beautiful. We caught 2 sales and we had a loss. So we had 2 wins and a loss. But that's fine. At the end of the day, ended up actually recovering the entire loss we had on US30. On this first sale, this very big fake out. Let's see how the daily is gonna close on US30. If it closes like that, most likely, guys, this is going to continue just dropping and eventually maybe reaching the 33,000 level. At least, I'm sure, at least we're going to be getting close to this area. Yeah, about this area right here. Yeah, it's a very strong 4-hour level. So let's keep an eye. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Again, guys, if you don't want to miss what I'm doing, if you want to catch all these things we do every single day, and I send all this analysis setups, everything, we talk about fundamentals as well. We try to keep updated with the news and everything. So it's very important to be always aware of what's going on, okay? So if you want to be part of that, just hit me up, leave your comments below, or just go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see that I'm offering a package, a bundle actually, that I'm offering a course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group. If you're interested, just hit me up in there and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. As I mentioned, I am posting content every single day on this channel so you can actually learn and see what I'm actually doing. You can understand, right? So you can become a profitable trader. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.